Welcome to GearCast, a series of short podcasts where we cut through the noise and confusion of car repair. My name is Troy Binder, and for more than 30 years, I've been a technician dedicated to solving automotive mysteries. And since 2000, I have been the co-owner with my brother Joey of Binder's Automotive located in Allentown, Pennsylvania. Now today we're going to introduce an idea that might sound a little strange for the automotive world, but it's actually the foundation of everything we do. It's thinking logically. If we are not thinking logically, we are not thinking correctly. Now, most people see a check engine light or hear a strange noise, and their first thought is panic. The second thought is often, how much is this going to cost? And the third is, I hope the mechanic doesn't try to sell me something I don't need. Now, this is a common and completely understandable reaction. The automotive industry can be intimidating. But what if I told you there's a way to approach car care that puts you in the driver's seat of the decision-making process? Now, I'm not talking about becoming a technician. I'm talking about understanding the why behind the repair, not just the what. Our goal here is to give you a fresh, novel perspective. We're not just going to tell you what to fix. We're going to teach you how to think correctly about it. Now, for an example of what I mean, let's look at the foundational principle of maintenance. You've heard the phrase preventative maintenance 1,000 times, but let's apply some logic. Answer this question. Why do you change your oil every 4,000, 5,000, or 10,000 miles? It's not just an arbitrary number. Have you considered that the decision should be based on engine design, the type of oil and filter you use, your driving habits, and where you live? Now, you may have considered some of these, but my bet is you never considered climate as a factor for how frequently you should be changing your oil. So the decision is no longer a matter of blindly following the generic manufacturer's maintenance schedule. It's understanding the dynamics behind a valid conclusion. And what about that weird sound? Instead of jumping to conclusions and asserting the consequent, we'll walk you through the logical diagnostic process. Is it a constant sound, or does it change with vehicle speed? Does it only happen when you turn the wheel, or only while the vehicle is moving? By answering these and other simple questions, you're already doing the first steps of a proper diagnosis. You're gathering valuable information that not only aids the technician, but communicates that you are an informed motorist. Now, the pain of car ownership often comes with the fear of the unknown. We're here to demystify that experience. We'll cover everything from routine oil changes and tire rotations to complex electrical issues and modern vehicle technology, all through the lens of logic and rational thinking. Our mission at Binder's Automotive has always been to empower our customers through knowledge, understanding, and transparency. This podcast is a direct extension of that philosophy. So let's embark on this journey together. It's time to take the pain out of automotive repair and replace it with a clear, logical understanding. I'm Troy Binder, and this has been GearCast.